Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to let you know why I haven't uploaded. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I haven't uploaded properly from Harrod's Garage for, must be 5 or 6 weeks now. I've been collecting some things for the Skyline, so I actually bought another grill. You can see there, we still need to paint these mirror caps, got an inner guard. So I've been actively doing stuff behind the scenes, but this is the reason why I haven't really been doing anything. If you know what you're looking at, the house is getting pretty much ripped apart and redone because they found asbestos. So we got the stumps done, and then there was 2 layers of asbestos had to get removed. Weatherboard's going back on. I'm currently sanding all the window frames ready for paint. Then the bathroom's going to get done eventually. So yeah, for the past month or so we've been working on the house. That's why no car related stuff has been done. I've been looking for a donor car for the twin turbo sleeper Forester that's no longer twin turbo but may go back to twin turbo. And we've been gathering things for the Skyline as well to get that ready for sale to free up some funds for the SF Forester. So yeah, just a quick little update there. It is a mess in here. So what I've been doing on my downtime is actually learning how to 3D model some car parts. So I've been working with Fusion 360, so trying to do like molds and stuff to produce carbon fiber parts. Yeah, so I'm being lazy with the car content stuff, but we are doing a lot of things around the house. So sorry about that guys, you have to wait a little bit longer. Hopefully we can get out and do some car stuff like I did when I went to Sevens Day last week. But that video went quite well. But yeah, hopefully we'll be up and running again soon, or maybe I can do some painting as these are getting close to paint. Maybe we can do them at work because I have a little office there. I can set the temp to 22, be perfect for painting. I've done it before, so maybe we can do that. I'll take those mirror caps in to work tomorrow, sand them. I'll just have to get the white that I've got up here into an aerosol can so I can do it at work. Yeah, little update for you guys. Keep you guys posted. There will be more content coming shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.